If you're experiencing the discomfort and pain from the hard and unrelenting hip restraint on your cart, let me show how easy it is to have a buddy help you. This buddy is Cart Buddy with 3/4 inch thick foam padding, a waterproof liner, and an attractive marine grade vinyl exterior. Now let me show you how quick and easy it is to add Cart Buddy to your cart. First, you want to identify whether you have the passenger side or the driver's side for your cart, and it's labeled inside driver's side and passenger side with a label, but in this cart it's very easy to tell because of the significant difference in the shape of the hip restraints. If you're by yourself, it's very easily done by just simply raising the cart seat and propping it up with a small box like a shoebox. Now that the seat is raised, you place the back of the Cart Buddy over the back of the hip restraint, take the strap, push it down between the seat and the hip restraint, pull it around, take this Velcro strap and strap it. Now you've got a snug, nice fit. Folks, that is how easy it is to make your cart much more comfortable, give it an upgraded and custom look where you can now use the hard and uncomfortable hip restraint as an armrest. You now have a buddy, Cart Buddy.